Well, hello everybody and welcome back. We're on a field trip in an older operating system store. And you want to know why we're here. So, come on in. We're going to shop together and save some money and, well, hopefully catch a glitch. And you want to know. So, like and share the video on your way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, look below and hit that red subscription button before we go on our field trip. That way you don't forget and you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that we have here. Yes, almost every day on Crazy Country Couponer and her awesome friends. So, guys, we're in the store. Look what I have in my buggy. We got some munchies and we've got a Georgia sweet tea. The munchies are $3.45. The Georgia sweet tea are $2.50. This is an older operating system store, and for some reason the prices here are cheaper than at my two normal stores. So in a way, it's worth the trip. So what do we have here price wise? Well, we've got $5 and 85 cents, $5.85. We're gonna get $3 off. Yes, winner, chicken dinner right here. Yep, I'm gonna go have hot dogs with my grandkid. This is going with me. Yeah, I'm gonna take some munchies and something to drink. Alright, guys. So, like I said, we're picking up some stuff and checking out some deals. Now, we've got this Folgers coffee on sale for $7.25. You've got a dollar off coupon on this. It's going to be $6.25. It is regularly $9. Okay, guys, we're going to talk about our other glitch. This is another Nabisco glitch. These are supposed to be $10. They are on sale too for $8.50. The $2 coupon is attaching. Okay, in the app anyway. So we're going to give that a try. And this is what I came to the store for, guys, is this per sale deal. I'm going to try, because I'm in an older operating system store, of getting the double dip on the per sale for the earn and the coupon, and then getting an earn for this per sale right here for $1.25 and getting my 5 off because I'll be spending $15. So we got 3 deals in the buggy. And we're going to see if they work. Alright, guys, we are back out in the car and everything worked. I'm just waiting to see if I get my $4 back, or my $2.50 back on my per sale. Okay? And of course, if I get my $2.50 back on per sale, then my out-of-pocket is going to be $15 and change for all of these items. Now, you can see where I got the 2 store discounts off the Lipton tea and the munchies. And you can see where the Nella wafers were at 2 for $5. And I got a store discount of $3.50. That's that $2 coupon and the sale discount. Okay? And then, of course, we got the 2 per sale products. The big bottle and the smaller bottle. And the bigger bottle had a $2 coupon. It has got a $2.50 earn. And the smaller, and a $5 off when you spend $15. And the smaller one has a $1.25 earn, I do believe. So if all the earns come off, total $2.50 and what I say, $1.25. So you're looking at $3.75 coming off. So $14 and change is the final out of pocket for this deal, if everything works like it's supposed to work. But so far, it looks like the Lipton tea in the munchies is working. Okay, the vanilla wafer deal Nabisco glitch is working at an older operating system store. No self-checkout here. And then the per sale deal looks like it's also working. Now, just a heads up, my manager pulled me aside and told me, she said, just so you know, by the end of next month, we're going to have the new system in our store. So I told her I wasn't wishing no bad luck on her, but I hope it doesn't happen. I hope it gets delayed for whatever reason. So she said this year is supposed to happen to all the stores. So hopefully, guys, this isn't our last chance to get in on these double dip glitches on these earn deals. So if you've got an older operating system store in your area, remotely close, make the trip. Mine's a little ways, but it's not that far. And I have another one in the opposite direction, which is a little bit further, and I may try that one this weekend. So, blessings, guys, and we'll talk again real soon. And, well, we'll be doing this per sale all snuggle deal again, because there's so many ways to do it. Blessings.